Welcome, dear students. Today of the MA final ninth paper post-colonial literature, I'll be giving you a background discussion about Chinua Achebe's novel Things Fall Apart. Now, no matter Chinua Achebe was a Nigerian novelist, and this novel Things Fall Apart is there in your syllabus in Unit 5. Now, today we'll be discussing a little bit background about the novelist, and we will have an idea about what kind of a novelist and a writer Chinua Achebe was. He was, of course, a Nigerian poet, professor, critic, and a novelist, and he became fascinated with world religions and traditional African cultures and began writing stories as a university student. And after graduation, he worked for the Nigerian Broadcasting Service. So, no matter he has lots of talent, and because he was of the African origin, so the influences of African society are clearly visible in his writings. Chinua gained worldwide reputation and attention for his novel Things Fall Apart. This novel is there, of course, and he gained recognition because of this novel a lot in the late 1950s. He also wrote his novels in English and defended the use of English, a language of colonizers, in African literature. So he always defined English as a language of the colonizers in African literature. Achebe focuses his novels on the tradition of Igbo society, the effect of Christian influences, and the clash of Western and traditional African values during and after the colonial era. Now, the style of his fiction covers fundamentally the oral tradition of the Igbo people and the society and their traditions, and which is being intermingled with the folk tales into the structure of his stories. And in this way, he illuminates the community values in both the content and the form of story writing or storytelling, both. So he is bringing in focus the values of the community, reflecting it of the Igbo society, reflecting it in his works and his novels specifically. Now, because this novel Things Fall Apart is there in our course, and we'll be dealing with this novel of Chinua Achebe. It is a story about the earth and the sky, emphasizing the interdependency of the feminine and the masculine. This is what this novel deals with. No matter, we'll be discussing in detail about this novel and what exactly Achebe wants to say and depicts it. So, by altering the usage, diction, idiom, and the syntax, Chinua he transforms the language into a unique African style. And of course, as we already know that he's a Nigerian poet and a professor also, and a critic also, and a novelist also. So he transformed the language into an African style which has been always unique and particular as far as Chinua Achebe's works and his influences of Igbo society goes. So, in other words, we can say that Chinua Achebe has been called the father of modern African writing, and he's been considered Africa's greatest storyteller. So, this is what a short description about Chinua Achebe, and we will be continuing about with this novel now in the next class. Things fall apart, and we're dealing the various aspects of this novel. That what exactly Chinua wants to say and convey through this novel. Thank you so much.